Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
6 Best Ways to Tighten Loose Belly Skin After Pregnancy. The loose abdominal muscles, along with the fat, extra skin, and relaxed pelvic guard, give the belly a hanging look after pregnancy. This is also commonly referred to as a pregnancy pouch. How much time is needed to reduce tummy after pregnancy? It takes a few months for the pregnancy pouch to go off, and it never completely disappears for some women. Tips for tightening skin post-pregnancy. 1. Increase your water intake. Water hydrates the skin and makes it more elastic, which is an excellent way to keep the skin tight and healthy. 2. Breastfeed. Breastfeeding burns calories. Plus, it has been seen that breastfeeding mothers lose weight faster than mothers who do not breastfeed. 4. Try Spa Wrap. Try Skin Wrap as it detoxifies, softens the skin, and tightens the skin. 3. Include protein-rich foods in your diet. Protein helps build collagen, which is an essential part of the skin. A healthy woman requires at least 50 grams of protein per day. 5. Try strength training. Strength training not only builds muscle strength but also helps to reduce fat and tone the body. 6. Use lotions and massage. Apply breastfeeding safe, skin tightening creams and lotions containing vitamins K, C, E, and A after consulting your doctor. After you apply the lotion, ensure that you massage the area well. Massage the skin at least twice a day. If it takes longer for your skin to tighten, do not get disheartened. Remember that your body had nurtured a life inside it for 9 months.